Hi, everybody. This is Becky House, Education Director for American Financial Solutions and Board Member for the Financial Empowerment Network and Bank On Washington Co-Chair. And we wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the brief history of asset building in Washington State. First of all, what is asset poverty? In December 2008, Washington State Department of Community Trade and Economic Development, now Commerce, defined asset poverty as a measure of economic security and mobility based on a household net worth. Net worth is the total value of all assets, including savings, a house, and a business, minus debts. A household is asset poor if it has an insufficient net worth to subsist at the federal poverty level for 3 months in the absence of income. An asset poor household does not have enough savings or wealth to provide for basic needs during extended periods of economic hardship, such as sudden job loss or a medical emergency. In 2006, prospective local asset building coalitions comprised of private, public, and nonprofit organizations in Washington state joined together to improve the financial well-being of low to moderate income households and use their collective resources to start and expand asset building services in their communities. These groups included the statewide Asset Building Coalition that originated and was staffed by Commerce. In 2007, House Bill 2256, establishing the Family Prosperity Act, was introduced by Representative Jeannie Darnell to adopt policies and provide services to help low-income working families achieve prosperity. Among other changes, the bill created a Washington Asset Building Coalition that originated and was staffed by Commerce under the leadership of Paul Knox and Annie Brar. Since then, Commerce has provided funding and technical assistance to help develop and support the statewide and local asset building coalitions through funding provided by the Family Prosperity Act. Commerce has also led a campaign to increase federal earned income tax credit filing and use of free volunteer tax assistant resources across the state. The Financial Empowerment Network encourages all local asset building and bank on coalitions to write to their state legislators to share the work and the outcomes realized, especially the work you're doing to address the financial hardships Washingtonians are experiencing from COVID-19. Why is financial empowerment important? In 2010, Congress passed and President Obama signed the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. This act created the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or the CFPB. The CFPB consolidates most federal consumer financial protection authority in one place. The Consumer Bureau is focused on one goal: watching out for American consumers in the market for consumer financial products and services. In 2012, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau announced the formal launch of the Office of the Financial Empowerment, the main goal of which is to help empower consumers to better understand how different financial choices and products impact their financial lives. In 2013, the Seattle-King County Asset Building Collaborative changed its name to Financial Empowerment Network to align with the growing national movement and to create broaden the focus required to address financial capability and inclusion beyond asset building, but including Bank On and its financial reach from a bank account to retirement to assist families in need moving along a forward financial trajectory. And then, as you heard from John Kim, our Financial Empowerment Network president, in 2019, Bank on Washington was added as part of our statewide initiative of financial empowerment. Financial literacy, plus the skill and the confidence to use that knowledge, equal financial empowerment. Thanks for listening.